have you still seen English language privilege show up when they work at a company that is based in their own country?
Yes, I have.
Wow.
Especially, and I will say it shows up in one of two ways. It will show up if it's an international company that
For sure.
that has English as sort of their transnational language. Within the office in region, they may be using, the common community language. But the moment they interact with any of their colleagues who are outside of the region, then they're expected to interact in English. But because of that, what will often happen is, and there are a variety of societal and cultural factors sort of, outside of the workplace that'll feed into this. But what will happen is that their English proficiency, even among their linguistic peers, will be seen as a kind of, will code as a shorthand for general level of education, general level of competence. And you'll see this, very strongly in places that are former colonies of, in the case of English, former colonies of the British Empire, where English is used as a marker of status in a way. And so if you don't, the person next to you speaks better English than you do, even though you never have cause to speak English with each other, you're always speaking Mandarin or Tamil or whatever. But if you know that when the time comes to talk to the office that's in, I don't know, Beverly Hills, that you aren't going to be able to speak English as comfortably as that person, then that can have an impact on your perception of your own competence.